I've got my eye on these two standout Costco finds, and honestly, I'd love to add them both to my cart. Hello again, shoppers. Let's get started with our shelf finds for this week. We'll start with these goodies at Aldi. These wooden play sets will make great gifts for your little ones this Christmas. They are great for pretend play. Grab 1, 2, 3, or 5 of these Hot Wheels. They're a fun little surprise gift for your little ones. Let's check out these home and decor pieces. These framed art pieces will add an old-time charm to your walls. And here's more vintage vibes. This mirror is giving instant elegance. If you need a little more surface space, this couch table is super handy. Create an instant cozy corner with this blanket ladder. You can display blankets or even towels. We can add some texture to our fall decor with these cable knit pillows. Aldi has some fun and interactive wall decor. You can leave little messages with this wall art, or you can play a fun game of checkers with this piece. Here's a big, bold welcome for your front door. I'm loving the size of this mat. And here's a scraper mat for those messy shoes. If you need light where there's no outlet, these LED puck lights are an easy fix. Parents, this one is for you. Keep the car clean with these seat back organizers. Don't forget our furry little cat friends. This cat laser will keep them zooming around all day long. This pack of 36 Halloween pretzels is perfect for trick-or-treaters or school snacks. This fall leather sling bag is just the right size to hold all your essentials. That's it for Aldi this week, shoppers. Now, let's head over to Costco, where we'll start with my two favorite finds for this week. Here are the two items I'd really love to add to my cart this month. In this set, you get 4 bowls and 4 lids that are perfect for prepping, serving, or storing your food in style. And then, this 5-quart stainless steel pot looks so good to pass up. I'm definitely eyeing this for my kitchen upgrade. If you need a statement piece for the holidays, this metal candle holder and centerpiece is festive, elegant, and ready for your dining table or your mantle. Book lovers, this one's for you. Dan Brown's new book is out. It's a perfect cozy read or a holiday gift idea. For a wellness boost, this Manuka honey is top tier, thick, rich, and immune season ready. Add a little Disney magic to your mornings with some Mickey Mouse and Friends shaped waffles. Outdoor cooks, take a look at this FlexRail cook table. Foldable, sturdy, and ready for grill season or camping trips. These Serenity Runner rugs are perfect for upgrading that hallway or entryway. Wherever you've got grime to fight, this cordless spin scrubber is a great cleaning tool. Stock up on this 2-pack Harry's body wash, a fresh, clean scent and a nice self-care moment. Now for some Costco beauty finds. No glue is needed for these lily lashes. Yes ma'am, they are dramatic and reusable. These under-eye masks are giving spa at home vibes. Toss them in the fridge for that depuffing magic. That's a wrap on this week's shelf finds. Let me know which item caught your eye, and don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more weekly finds. Bye!